Hi guys! You have to ignore the baby toys making noise. So we've had a lot of requests of me to make videos on using some of the carriers I have. Remember that you can always ask me any question about baby wearing or carriers. I can help you if you ever have a specific carrier you need help with. So today I'm going to show how to do a back carry in the Infantino Mei Tai, or any Mei Tai for that matter. This is an Infantino one. You can get it at Target, Walmart, Babies R Us, any place like that. They run anywhere between $25 and $30. One of the most versatile carriers for any size baby. You can use it to newborn. I've used mine past the weight requirements because I feel comfortable with it. With a 44-pound 5-year-old. So they're awesome. I'm going to be doing it with Cooper, who is a year old. He's in 18-month clothes, just for a size reference. So what you're going to want to start to do is put the carrier on with the waistband. So if you can see how I flip that. And I like to put it, you want it like right under your, where your bra would be. So, because you want the baby high enough to where they can almost see over your shoulders. That's your goal. Sometimes it's harder for me, especially since I have bigger hips. So the carrier naturally wants to rest down here on my hips. So I'm going to try to get it up as far as I can. Here is the top though. And then I like to start it in the front just so I can get like a measure. Like, I don't know. It's just easier for me to start in the front and then scoot it around. And then tie in a knot. Here, as tight as it will go. So then you have it here. What you're going to do is bring it over the baby like that. Coop! Want to go up? Want to go up? Okay, I'll give it to you after. So here is Cooper, and how I do it is I like to, okay, so what I'll do is I'll take him and I'll grab under his arms so then I can throw him on my back like this. He's old enough to where he understands the effect of gravity a little bit. And he understands that if he doesn't hold on, well, he's going to get thrown off my back, I guess. With your babies, you want to make sure that you, especially, what about it? Especially when they're younger, you want to make sure that you always have one hand on them at all times until you have these two straps. And then keep these as tight as you can. Down to your neck. Okay, so the one thing I don't like is that my hair gets in the way. But so what I did is I just put him on there. And he is still arms in because he's younger. Your kids can be arms out. I don't really like to do that, especially since he's so young. But you can see that there. Again, you can see that the carrier slipped down, like my bra line's here, and it slipped down. So this is, I feel comfortable with this height. You just don't want like his butt sitting on your butt because that'll give you a lot of jiggle. So then you're going to take this, and I'm going to go over his leg, and then under the opposite leg, and then tuck it in between my knees. Then I'm going to take this strap, do the same thing, over and under, and then bounce once more, and tie in the front. So this is then your back carry with a Mei Tai. This is without the hood, so I have a hood that if he fell asleep, I could clip on, and his head then would be against mine. Just remember that with any carrier, you usually want the baby what they call knee to knee, so the carrier comes knee to knee. If you do it with an older child, like when I did it with the 5-year-old, they aren't knee to knee. Totally fine. You just, with kids up to about 2 years of age, you want to try to get that knee to knee position. Also the M position, so you can see that his legs go up and down in an M, meaning all of the weight is resting on his butt. And the weight will be where these strips crossed, that I crossed over. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps. Again, if you have any issues or anything you need to ask about, I would be happy to help. Bye.